If you run a business and you don't know exactly what's on your shelves right now, you're already losing money. Stockouts, double orders, forgotten suppliers, that's not bad luck. That's a system problem. Glassio Inventory fixes it. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you 3 things. 1. How Glassio keeps your inventory and purchase orders in one place. 2. Why "where did I buy this last time" is the feature that pays for itself. And 3. The reminders and notes that quietly keep your whole operation moving. Rehook. Most small operations run on a spreadsheet, a notes app, and a memory that's fading by Friday. Glassio replaces all of that. Every product, every count, every purchase order, tracked in one clean view. You see what you have, what's running low, and what's already on the way in. No more guessing. No more reordering something that's sitting in the back room. Quick rehook. The slowest part of restocking isn't placing the order. It's remembering where you got it last time. Glassio records the supplier, the price, and the link for every product. When you're low, you open the item and reorder in seconds, from the same source at the same price. That's the payout. Restocking goes from a half-day hunt to a 2-minute task. Rehook. Nothing kills a small operation faster than a follow-up that never happens. Glassio lets you set reminders on any product, order, or task. Restock this in 2 weeks. Follow up with the supplier on Friday. Check this shipment Monday. Things stop falling through the cracks because the system carries it for you. Every product gets its own notes, specs, batch numbers, customer feedback, whatever matters. You stop hunting through emails and group chats. The detail you need is on the product, where it belongs. Final rehook. Glassio is built for small businesses, warehouses, home businesses, and growing operations. The people who can't afford enterprise software and shouldn't have to. It's clean, fast, and gets out of your way so you can run the business instead of managing tabs. So, if you're tired of inventory chaos and forgotten orders, get Glassio Inventory. Download it at glassioapp.com or open the Apple App Store and search Glassio Inventory. And if you want to see the exact setup I use to run a small operation from one screen, that video is next. See you there.